Hi everyone, it's me, Elaina. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your Russian-American beauty guru and reviewer. I usually find inexpensive, like real cheap products and find the ones that really work well because I like my expensive real products, but I also like cheap prices. So that's what you usually find in my channel. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be reviewing and talking about Halo Beauty, which I just ordered. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. So this is going to be a series because this supplement works within a few months, so I'm going to be able to see how it works. So keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get right into this video. So I've been thinking about ordering this supplement, Halo Beauty, for quite a while. I like watching Tati Westbrook. I personally like her. I think she's personable. I think she got integrity and honesty. But again, I don't know her personally, so I'm just one of you all. I watch her and I like her videos. Well, her product is interesting to me because it has a lot of positive reviews and a lot of reviews from chemists. So if you type in YouTube here, Halo Beauty Skin, Hair, Nails, you'll find a bunch of reviews so you can look it up for yourself. I'm not a chemist, I'm a hair stylist. I'm a licensed cosmetologist in Florida. And I've been doing hair for a while, but again, I'm not a chemist. So I'm taking it for my own personal use. This is pretty pricey, but in her recent video, she was talking about the new packaging. So she's got this booster subscription and it comes in a packet. So because it comes in a packet, it's a little cheaper. So I was like, maybe I can save a little money. So the subscription little packet is $35.95. That's for the beauty, hair, skin, and nails. Beauty booster. For Kiwi is cheaper, it's $26.95, but Kiwi is supposed to be skin, and not to brag, but my skin is pretty good, except it's dry, it's aging. I have a few lines. I'll show you a little clip on my hair and skin somewhere inserted here so you can see the close-up without makeup. So this is what my hair looks like and my skin. Let me zoom in further. So I don't have oily skin or I don't have acne. I have the opposite. I have dry skin, and obviously I'm not a teenager. I'm 44, so I have a little bit of lines and I have discoloration. That's from riding my bike because I'm a cyclist. I love cycling and I always use SPF. But even using SPF, I still get sunspots. As you can see here, I have sunspot. That's a birthmark, so never mind that. And I have dark circles, but the dark circles, they're not because of aging problems. Dark circles are hereditary. When I was 5 years old, I still had those dark circles, so I'm not having hopes for that. But you can see this is what it looks like. The Tati's Halo vitamins I got mostly for my hair, because I have thyroid issues and my hair is thinning. I mean, it's not like thinning, but, well, that's my roots. I'm about to do my roots in a couple of days, but let me zoom out so you can see my hair. So here's the current state of my hair. This is how long it is. I got my husband to hold the measuring tape on top of my head. I don't know how to measure it correctly. And I'm a licensed cosmetologist, but I never thought about measuring the length. So he measured the length like this when I pulled my hair back, and that was 22 inches. But it's fried and dried and laid to the side. I mean, I lightened my hair with a high lift color. So let me see the back. John, can you see the back? Okay, so here's the back of my hair. That's where it ends. You see my ends a little thin. So That's about as much hair as I have. So if I see any growth, my hair is getting longer or thicker, I'll be able to see. So usually your normal hair grows every half inch every month. So if it grows any quicker, I'll be able to tell because we measured it. It's not a scientific method, obviously, but so the sides. So you get the picture. So that's what we're working with. The update is going to be every month. So my main problem is my hair, which is I have thyroid condition, so my hair is thinning. I'm not like thinning a lot, but it's thinner than it used to be, and to me it doesn't grow real quick. So I'm hoping my hair is gonna grow thicker and quicker. I don't really believe in all these supplements usually. I'm a big skeptic, so my review is gonna be very honest. I usually research everything, research every ingredient, and there's some studies about these ingredients, and it shows some kind of evidence that it works in some people, but the proof is in pudding. So if you look on YouTube, a lot of people say bad results. So I'm gonna try for myself and be your guinea pig. I'll tell you if my skin got less dry, if I have less discoloration, I have some sunspots, you'll see that in the clip. And I have also a little dryness like around my mouth. I have dry patches and some sunspots again, some fine lines and dark circles. I don't know what's gonna do for that, but I'm really hoping my hair is gonna grow thicker and longer. So let's see the claims. The hair, skin and nails booster promotes thick and luxurious hair growth. It minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. It supports collagen and keratin production. That's exactly what I wanted for. Promotes strong and healthy nails. I don't know. I love my acrylic, so I won't see what's happening in there. But I really want the skin and especially the hair. With anti-gray fighting enzymes. I don't know about that, but I don't have a lot of gray hair. Okay, I'm 44. But I guess I have good genes. I have virtually no gray hair. See my roots? It's about to color. I'm about to color. So I need to lighten them. I wish I was gray so I could get blonde real quickly. So benefits. Our proprietary patent dependent formula is very best skin, hair and nail supplement you can buy anywhere. It's made in US with highest quality, blah blah blah. I mean, you can go read it online. So I'm gonna put the ingredients somewhere up in this corner so you can see the list. You can also go on her website and look up the ingredients itself. So let me make this my first video. Today is Saturday, September 5th. Here you go. I don't know if you can see it. It's Saturday, September 5th. So that's why I'm filming this video. So I'm gonna come back in a month and see what happens to my hair. Oh. Almost showed my address, and I did. So this is a package. It's really pretty and pink. Arrived real quickly. I ordered on September 27th. It arrived on the 2nd. I ordered on Friday. So, I mean, it was like barely a day and a half. But I'm in LA, and she's in LA, so I guess it comes from warehouse somewhere here. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, and it's pink. It says Halo Beauty Booster. So again, you saving money. With tax, it was like a little more than 35 bucks, but still. So I'm gonna try it probably in a few months, for a few months, and see what happens. The problem with this kind of things, they work, supposedly, but when you stop using them, your hair becomes dried, fried, and laid to the side again. So I don't know about getting hooked on this for the rest of your life, because obviously Tati is gonna be making money. Which, okay. So she changed the color. See that? So now they're not colored, which I kind of appreciate. It's more natural. So here's the size compared to my nails. I have no problem swallowing pills. I mean, some people say the gag, but I mean, I have no problems with this. So let's take one on camera for the evidence, the receipts, and deleted tweet. It kind of has a little herbal taste. I kind of like it. I don't know. It tastes like food a little bit. I don't know why it is. Always take a supplements with plenty of water and drink a lot of water. That's good for skin. I'm also a certified fitness instructor of 20 years. So I studied nutrition and I know something about water consumption. So if you guys are interested, then look for my video. I'm gonna post every month and probably make a playlist so you see what's happening with my skin and with my hair. Obviously I like acrylic, so I don't care about this. So so let me know what you think. Have you tried it? Have you been taking this stuff? Does it really work for you? We'll see. Subscribe, comment your thoughts, your impressions, and like this video. Don't forget to ring notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!